Hey everybody, welcome to day 14 of our summer sketches. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw an ice cream cone using the letter O and the letter V. I'm going to use my pencil because we're going to overlap our O's. So we're going to do 3 O's. We're going to start at the top of the page. We're going to do 1 O. And then you're going to overlap. So kind of in the middle of that one, you're going to draw your second O. And then you're going to do the same thing one more time. In the middle there, your third O. And the reason I'm using pencil is because circles are hard to draw perfectly, you know. All right, let's do the letter V for the cone, and it's going to be a tall, skinny V. Okay, so we're going to come down and come back up. And this is why I'm using pencil, guys, because I have to adjust a little bit. All right, the next thing I'm gonna do is add a little dimension to our ice cream scoops. Okay, so I'm gonna start at the bottom here, and I'm gonna come out and do a curved line. And I'm just gonna curve, and around. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing to each scoop. So you're gonna come up to the bottom of this second scoop here, and you're gonna come out and do a curve line, scoop. And we're gonna do the same thing to this top one. So you're gonna curve it, curve, and finish. All right, we're gonna outline it, and then we'll erase our pencil marks that we don't need. So I'm gonna start at the top. And so we're not gonna draw that full circle because this one's overlapping that one. So you're just gonna trace the outside and then the curves at the bottom. And kiddos, if you didn't know, we are doing a giveaway for some art supplies. So if you want, you can tell your parents to head over to the Instagram page and they can learn how they can enter for our giveaway. All right, now we're gonna outline the V here. Down and down. Oh, and this is already looking so cute. And I hope you guys have been following along the whole month of July, guys. We are having new videos every single day teaching you how to draw all sorts of things, from animals to food to sailboats. I am going to add some details to my waffle cone. What I like to do is draw diagonal lines. And I'm gonna do a strawberry ice cream. What's your guys' favorite kind of ice cream? My most favorite ice cream is probably cookies and cream. I also like butter pecan. Have you guys ever had butter pecan ice cream? It's so yummy, and I think it's good too with Oreos inside. That's just me. All right, I also love vanilla. So we're gonna do, this middle scoop here is gonna be vanilla. Look, that kind of looks like vanilla. Have any of you made homemade ice cream before? Now that would be fun to do. I'm gonna add something to the top scoop there. I'm gonna take my marker and I'm just gonna draw a nice little curve line here. And I'm gonna add caramel, or do you say caramel? Caramel or caramel? People say it differently depending on where they're from. And I'm gonna make this chocolate ice cream, my top scoop. This is looking so good. A little drizzle of caramel on top. And my other favorite thing on ice cream, chocolate sprinkles. I love those chocolate sprinkles. Nobody else in my family really likes them, but I do. I'm gonna add them here. And there you have it. Look at how cute our ice cream is. I hope you give this a try at home, and don't forget to join us tomorrow for our next summer sketch.